Setting a baseline in Microsoft Project captures the initial plan of your project, allowing you to compare it with the actual progress and identify variances. Here's how to set a baseline. Open your project, launch Microsoft Project. Open Microsoft Project and load your project file where you want to set a baseline. Access the baseline settings. Go to the Project tab. Click on the Project tab in the ribbon, which contains project management options. Click on Set Baseline. In the Schedule group, click Set Baseline. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Baseline options. Select Baseline. In the drop-down menu, choose Set Baseline to open the Set Baseline dialog box. Choose Baseline. You can select to set the baseline for the entire project or for specific tasks. To set the baseline for the entire project, select the option labeled Set Baseline for Entire Project. For specific tasks, choose Set Baseline under the Baseline field in the dialog box. Select Baseline Number. Microsoft Project allows you to set multiple baselines. Choose which baseline number to use or create a new one. Save baseline. Click OK. After selecting your options, click OK to save the baseline. Microsoft Project will now store this baseline data for comparison with actual project progress. Review baseline. Check baseline data. You can view baseline data in various views by adding baseline columns. This lets you compare planned versus actual performance. Save your project. Save changes. Click File, Save to ensure that your baseline is saved with your project file.